You always want to iron your patterns so that every centimeter can be flattened out. Every little centimeter counts. Since I'm using this shirt pattern to make a jean jacket, I'm going to add the lapel and make collars for this jacket. So I'll add two inches for the lapel. Yep. And instead of cutting just straight down, I'll cut across and down. And since this is normally to cut on the centerfold, because we're making a shirt and we wanted the shirt close, the front close, I'm going to cut two separate patterns for the front so I can have an opening to put the button in the buttonhole. And since I'm cutting two separate patterns, I need to add an inch for the seam allowance when I sew the front to the back. The way to save money is to improvise the patterns you already have. Patterns can be expensive, and you see I have a whole bucket of patterns. This one is $17. Let me show you my other patterns and how much they cost. This pattern is $20. This men's pattern would cost, $2.97. It's so simple. Let me see. This pattern is $19.95 with $20. Most of these patterns are $20. If they're not, it's so simple, they're at least $14. This is actually $21. So patterns can be expensive, and if you can, improvise like I've just showed you. And once again, I am organizing my pattern with the pattern paper. The back main fabric and the back lining. And this is the, where's it at? Where did I put it? The front pattern. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. Front pattern with the lining. I'll cut the sleeves and the collars out later.